everyone, it's Carla. I would like to quickly introduce you to this 2006 Nissan Pathfinder. First and foremost, let's check out the tread on the tires. Perfect, excellent new tires. Check out the exterior. Not bad. Now we do have a little scratching right there. I know, guys, I know. And some more right there. Just want to point those out to you. Let's take a look on the inside, shall we? Alrighty, people. We have 207,595 miles on this Pathfinder. We have power windows and power locks. Also, radio and cruise control features on the steering wheel. AM, FM radio, as well as a CD player. My favorite feature, the sunroof. How awesome is that? Let's take a look at the back. Alright, as you can see, we have 10 leather seats. A lot of space back here. As you can see, we have a third row. Nice. For cruising, road trips, all of that good stuff. Let's check out the back. Alright, these seats could be let down and make extra room for stuff that needs to be stored. If you would like to see more pictures of this vehicle, please visit our website at flywheelmotors.com. To inquire about this vehicle, in-house program, free oil change program, please don't hesitate to give us a call or feel free to text us 662-420-7682. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.